Hi everyone, today we are sharing the news for 6th January, continuing our series to help you prepare for your WAT and PI and get through IIMs and other top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed in our daily news section. Its link is in our description and first pinned comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 headlines are: India is said to be third largest economy, says S&P Global. Aditya L1 will maneuver to arrive at desired destination today. Indian medtech industry urges government action to reduce import dependency. India's divestment target could be its lowest in 9 years. War weather put ocean shippers on notice for rough seas in 2024. Let's look at the first news. India to become the world's third largest economy. S&P predicts India to become the world's third largest economy and the fastest growing major economy over the next 3 years. The agency forecasts a 7% economic growth for India in 2026 and raises the current fiscal year's GDP growth rate to 6.4% due to strong domestic demand. India, presently the fifth largest economy, is expected to surpass Japan and Germany in GDP by 2030. A Niti Aayog vision document envisions India as a $30 trillion developed economy by 2047. Emerging markets, including India, are anticipated to navigate global economic challenges in 2024 better than their counterparts, with structural trends like nearshoring and energy transition playing a key role. Next news is Aditya L1, India's first solar mission. India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, is entering its final orbit after a 127-day journey. It will observe the sun for 5 years. Positioned at L1, 1.5 million km from Earth, Aditya L1 studies the sun's outer atmosphere. Objectives include understanding coronal heating, coronal mass ejection, and space weather dynamics. 7 payloads on Aditya L1 gather crucial data on solar characteristics and space weather dynamics. Instruments cover direct solar observation and in situ studies of particles and fields. Launched in September 2023, Aditya L1 underwent orbital maneuvers. A trajectory correction maneuver in October 2023 ensured its precise path to orbit the L1 point, marking India's inaugural space-based solar observatory. The next news is government action to reduce import dependency. The Association of Indian Medical Device Industry aims to reduce India's 80 to 85% dependence on medical device imports. Indian medical devices industry can grow from $12 billion to $50 billion by 2030. The industry recommendations for government action are to withdraw duty exemption, provide nominal protection, and implement a phased approach to custom duty increases. Suggests custom monitor and cap maximum retail price when reasonably high. Union budget should expand the production linked incentive PLI scheme. Emphasis on reducing the 12% GST rate on medical devices. A significant medtech industry growth in 5 to 10 years is predicted. Challenges include limited capital, workforce shortage, and technology transfer issues. The next news is India's low divestment in 2024. India may set a lower divestment target in fiscal 2024 to 2025, potentially the lowest in 9 years. Reasons include regulatory delays, especially in IDBI Bank's stake sale, contributing to uncertainty. The impending elections may shift the government's focus away from divestment. Governments often avoid such exercises before elections due to potential opposition. Challenges include government's shareholding hitting permissible limits in many state-run firms, limiting divestment scope. Lowering the divestment target suggests a reassessment of policy, possibly focusing on professional execution. The last news is global shippers face disruptions. Recent Red Sea hostilities impact global shippers and contribute to disruptions. Mayors and major carriers reroute ships away from the Red Sea to avoid attacks. Industry faces challenges beyond Red Sea issues, including wars, droughts, and geopolitical tensions. Complex vessel schedules for container ships and fuel tankers are likely to face synchronization issues. Increased costs and delays affect retailers, food makers, and grocers, raising concerns about the industry's stability in 2024. These are the 5 news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.